Consider subscribing. It would really make me happy. Everything used in this video will be out in my Discord, which I will put in the description. You are going to open PicsArt, then click on this little circle. Select your background. I will use this one. As you can see, you have many options. But today we'll use this one. Click on it. Pick the brawler you want to use. Place it in the middle. Swipe to the left. Click on Adjust. I can't really tell you what to do here, but I can tell you that the key to make thumbnails, good thumbnails, is to make the character match the background. It is very simple. All you need to do is use the options they give you to modify the brawler's look. Once you're done, you're going to add another picture. Adjustment time. And now we are going to add our final photo. Now let's adjust it to the background. Once you're done, you can click in the option that says text. Now type this, which means in description. Now place it inside the box. It will take a while, but you'll eventually get it. This time I won't use any colors, but if you want you can change it, but I recommend you to leave it as white. Change the font to Arbitron. And you are done. Click here to save.